For this next problem, we're going to look at some operations on functions. For the functions f of x equals 2x squared plus 1 and g of x equals 3x minus 2, we want to find the following and simplify. Part A, we want to find the difference of the two functions, f minus g. Part B, we want to find the product of the two functions, f times g. And in part C, we want to find f of x plus h minus f of x. So we'll start with part A. For f minus g, we just need to subtract the two functions. So we'll write 2x squared plus 1 minus 3x minus 2. It's important to use parentheses when you write these functions down, especially if you're doing subtraction, so that you remember to distribute the minus sign. So we'll get 2x squared plus 1 minus 3x, and then minus a negative 2, which will be plus 2. And we can simplify by collecting like terms. We'll have 2x squared minus 3x, and then 1 plus 2 gives us plus 3. So f minus g is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 3. For part B, we want the product of the two functions. So f dot g, again we want to use parentheses as we write our functions down, 2x squared plus 1 times 3x minus 2, so that we distribute correctly. We can use the FOIL method. 2x squared times 3x will be 6x cubed. 2x squared times negative 2 is minus 4x squared. 1 times 3x is plus 3x, and 1 times negative 2 gives us minus 2. Collect the like terms if there are any. There are no like terms that we can collect, and so f times g is just 6x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. For part C, we want f of x plus h minus f of x, again using our two functions. We need to evaluate the function at x plus h, here the function f, and so we'll get 2 times x plus h squared plus 1, that's f of x plus h, minus f of x, so we just rewrite our function, 2x squared plus 1. Again, grouping symbols are important because we're going to be doing a subtraction. So here we'll get 2, and if we expand x plus h squared, we'll get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And we have plus 1. We're going to subtract 2x squared, and then subtract 1. I'm going to distribute our 2 next. So we'll have 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared, and plus the 1, minus 2x squared minus 1. And we get some terms that cancel. This 2x squared cancels with the minus 2x squared. And the plus 1 cancels with the minus 1. And so we're left with 4xh plus 2h squared. So f of x plus h minus f of x equals 4xh plus 2h squared.